Today, we are diving deep into an exciting topic: why the OM-5 Mark II will be such an important camera for the industry and what it means for Micro Four Thirds technology. If you've been keeping an eye on the evolution of mirrorless cameras, you'll know that this system has had its fair share of challenges and triumphs. So, let's talk about why this camera could be a game changer. The legacy of Micro Four Thirds and the EM series. Micro Four Thirds (MFT) has been around since 2008 when the Lumix G1 made its debut, followed by Olympus's EP1 in 2009. The system was a revolutionary step toward mirrorless photography, offering a compact form factor while maintaining high-quality imaging. Then came the Olympus OMD OM-5, a camera that truly changed the game. It was small, powerful, and offered in-body image stabilization (IBIS) that blew DSLR users away. It was the beginning of a new era for Olympus and Micro Four Thirds. Now fast forward to today, and we are on the brink of the OM-5 Mark II release. But why is this camera so significant? Let's explore some key factors that make it a critical release for OM Digital Solutions. OM-5 Mark II, the key features and upgrades. The OM-5 Mark II is rumored to bring several important upgrades, improving upon the already impressive OM-5. While full specifications have yet to be confirmed, industry insiders suggest the following potential enhancements. 1. Improved sensor and image processing. The OM-5 Mark II is expected to feature an upgraded sensor with better low-light performance and increased dynamic range. With an enhanced TruePic engine, images will likely have greater detail, reduced noise, and richer colors. If OM Digital Solutions incorporates a new stacked sensor, it could significantly improve the camera's speed and performance. 2. Faster autofocus with AI enhancements. AI-driven autofocus is becoming a standard in modern cameras. Sony and Canon have already integrated deep learning into their AF systems. An OM system is expected to follow suit. A faster and more intelligent AF system could make the OM-5 Mark II a fantastic choice for wildlife and action photography. 3. Enhanced in-body image stabilization (IBIS). One of the biggest selling points of OM cameras has always been their industry-leading IBIS. The OM-5 Mark II is expected to refine this further, potentially offering up to 8 stops of stabilization, making handheld shooting even smoother for both photographers and videographers. 4. 4K 60 FPS and improved video capabilities. With content creation booming, video performance is now a crucial factor in camera design. The OM-5 Mark II might introduce 4K 60 FPS video recording, better heat management, and improved codecs, making it a compelling choice for hybrid shooters. 5. Weather-sealed compact build. A rugged, weather-sealed design has been a signature feature of the OMD series. The OM-5 Mark II will likely maintain this tradition, making it an excellent option for outdoor and travel photography. If OM system can reduce weight while improving durability, it will appeal to adventurers who need a reliable camera in extreme conditions. 6. More competitive pricing. One major issue with flagship cameras is their high price point. The OM-1, for example, is a fantastic camera, but its cost makes it less accessible to hobbyists and entry-level professionals. If the OM-5 Mark II is priced competitively, it could attract a broader audience to Micro Four Thirds. The role of the OM-5 Mark II in saving Micro Four Thirds. Many photographers wonder if Micro Four Thirds has a future in a world dominated by full-frame cameras. However, the format still offers several advantages that make it relevant today. Portability and lightweight design. MFT cameras are significantly smaller and lighter than full-frame alternatives, making them ideal for travel and street photography. Extensive lens ecosystem. The MFT lens lineup is extensive and includes some of the sharpest and most affordable glass on the market. Exceptional stabilization. Olympus cameras have some of the best IBIS in the industry, allowing for sharper handheld shots without a tripod. Great for wildlife and sports. The crop factor extends the reach of telephoto lenses, making MFT cameras a solid choice for nature photographers. The OM-5 Mark II needs to reinforce these strengths, while introducing innovations that keep MFT competitive with APS-C and full-frame systems. Why this release is crucial for OM Digital Solutions. OM Digital Solutions is at a pivotal moment. Since separating from Olympus, the company has been working hard to prove that Micro Four Thirds still has a place in the industry. The OM-1 was an impressive first release, but but it targeted a high-end market. The OM-5 Mark II needs to be more accessible while still offering powerful features. If the OM-5 Mark II succeeds, it will reignite interest in the Micro Four Thirds format, show that OM Digital Solutions is still a serious player in the industry, provide an alternative to APS-C and full-frame cameras for hobbyists and professionals alike. Final thoughts. Should you be excited? Absolutely. The OM-5 Mark II could be one of the most important Micro Four Thirds cameras in recent years. With advancements in sensor technology, autofocus, video features, and stabilization, it has the potential to attract a new wave of photographers while keeping longtime Olympus users happy. Are you considering upgrading to the OM-5 Mark II? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to Technology in the Future for more updates on the latest camera gear and tech trends. See you in the next video.